Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Defender error code 0x8007139f that you are experiencing on your Windows computer. It says the scan cannot be started. The group or resources is not in the correct state to perform the requested operation. Click Help for more information about this problem. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, select Yes. Now into this elevated command line window, type in SFC followed by a space /scan out. Scan out should all be one word attached to that / out front. Go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once it's done, go ahead and close out of here. Open up the search menu, type in Services. Best match, come back with Services. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to go down to the Microsoft Defender service. So there's going to be a couple in here, Microsoft Defender Antivirus Service. That's going to be the first one we're looking at. Want to make sure service status is running. If it's not, you want to go ahead and select the Start button and then set Startup Type to Automatic if it's not. And then you would select Apply and OK. Do the same thing for the Microsoft Defender Antivirus Network Inspection Service. Again, make sure that it is running as well. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and close out of here. If you're running any other third-party antiviruses, I recommend uninstalling them as well. So there might be a conflict between different antiviruses that are not allowing Windows Defender to run properly, which there certainly could be a compatibility issue that you want to address. So if you want to use Microsoft Defender Antivirus, which is a standalone antivirus program, you don't really want to be running any other antivirus software with it unless it's meant to be run along other antiviruses. So unless you know for a fact that the antivirus or anti-malware program you're using is meant to be run alongside another program, it's probably not. So you want to go ahead and uninstall it. And once you're done with everything I showed in this video, you should restart your device nonetheless. So there you go, guys. Hopefully this tutorial was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.